Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Pleakely from Lilo and Stitch on Dress to Impress. So to do that, I use this like hack here. I'll do the hack obviously. I don't know if I'll remember the hair, but here's everything I used for the hair. Hopefully I remember that. But let's just delete everything so I can start to show you guys from scratch what I did. So this is the color I colored Pleakely in. This is the color palette if you want to save it. It's A89666. And then I am just going to go here. Let's select this like mask. Select the first toggle as the same color as the skin and the second one to black. Select this one, the fourth toggle, and color it the same as your skin tone. Then we are going to use this face mask and we're going to color it with the cow pattern, which I favorited up here. And then for the hair, I basically just use a lot. I use this one in this yellow color, and then this one too in the yellow color. I also used this one in the yellow color, as well as this one, but you can layer more hairs if you want to make it look more voluminous. Add in bangs. I added this one just to cover it up a little like that. And then for the outfit, you can use like this for the non-VIP version, but I use like the other top. Let me just put on this first, and then I'm going to color it this color. Put the material on matte. I also use this skirt here, and then I used one from the code items as well, which is this skirt. And for the top, you can absolutely use the one out of VIP, but I like this one because it matches with the outfit a little bit more. I just colored it this color and the second one a little bit lighter with a matte toggle. Here's the color that I used, by the way, 1E6450. And then for the shoes, for the sandals, I just used these. Color it the same, and then just add a flower on top of everything, coloring it this color. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.